You might think the goal is to win your battle over fear, anxiety, or depression, but did you know the secret to living your best life is to embrace every emotion and learn how to play with them? The best way to start this journey is to ask yourself some pretty big questions. What do you think your true purpose is? What do you want to impact or change? What makes you tick? What have you experienced? In what ways do you stand out? In what ways do people rely on you? What gets you mad? Yeah. These are all one big question, actually. If you had no fear, no anxiety or depression holding you back, what might your life look like? It's so important to know that we're all intentionally unique and you're here for a really good reason. And it's good to feel stuff, good, bad, or whatever. Every single emotion has a purpose. Some exist to protect us. Some exist to help us learn or to help us relax and enjoy. Now, realizing that your brain is just a brain and your body is just a vessel that carries your brain around, how have your thoughts served you in your life? Interesting question, huh? Do your thoughts often steer you away from your life's dreams and goals? Does your brain mysteriously steer you towards bad or horrible choices and people? Do you realize that's all you? Everything that happens or doesn't happen is all you, baby. You're the one with your hands on the steering wheel. There are two other big questions you need to ask and answer in order to master your ability to power through things and use fear, anxiety, or depression to your advantage. We're about to change everything.